Angela. Alex Maref here with Tameron Hyundai. Thank you so much for your interest in the 2015 Hyundai Azera. These are very limited because the 16 models will be coming out soon, so now is a great time to take advantage of this vehicle. Also, keep in mind, here at Tameron, you get a 5-year, 60,000-mile new car warranty, 5 years unlimited miles of roadside assistance. We double the manufacturer powertrain warranty to give you 20 years or 200,000 miles of powertrain warranty. If you have any questions at all or you want to set up a time to come by, please just give me a call. My name's Alex Marefka. The phone number here is 205-380-6250. Again, it's Alex at Tameron Hyundai, 380-6250. Thank you so much, Angela.